This is what I open my door to go to work. I am somewhat at a loss. I kind of think I should just let him chill there. Because, you know, it's sheltered and he's safe. I'm gonna try to get by him without startling him. Hi, I'm not even looking at you. I'm not even looking at you. I'm not looking. Just gonna turn around and lock the door. Oh, and not my car. Just not, oh, Jesus. Jesus, no. Don't do it. Lock. Okay. Don't go under the car. I'm gonna have, no, don't do it. Step away from the car. Step away. I'm gonna turn around and lock my door. We're just gonna walk around here and we're gonna try to talk you into getting away from the vehicle. Can you go the other way, bro? Yep, nope, not under it. That way. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Alright. Walk around the car. And I feel like that went as well as it could.